living in times of intense heritage making all over the world. There's also a convergence with creativity and innovation, new heritage spaces being created, new ways of thinking heritage. At the same time, it's a very paradoxical space where a lot of these new heritage forms coexist with degradation and changes and massive transformation of the urban and rural spaces that we're studying.
Also, we need a framework in which different disciplines can talk to each other, because obviously heritage studies is a transdisciplinary field. People have to learn to find a way to talk to each other.
EPFL is a hypercenter of innovation. EPFL is at the forefront of innovation, science, engineering. At the College of Humanities, we are combining all this transformation with a social and humanities perspective. EPFL is also a living laboratory with colleagues working on digital humanities, digital museum, museology, architecture, and design. Our research group, Heritage, Culture and City, is hosting since more than 1 year Bille Larsen in order to develop all together this nexus about heritage, creativity and innovation.
We all use the term, we abuse this term creativity without thinking a bit critically. And I think that's exactly what the whole discussion was about, and I think that was great.
Existing theories about heritage and transformation are often caught in the dichotomy between keeping the old or transforming into something new, and in that sense rarely capture the full kinds of transformations that we have identified in our research. Therefore, on the one hand, we have, for example, seen the importance of stressing the political economy and power relations in transformation. And secondly, we're also trying to move beyond Western-centric frameworks that acknowledge how transformations are taking place in other parts of the world and thereby opt for more analytical openness.
Our framework is a contribution of building a new community of practice. We started with an international workshop, which followed with some publication. We already organized at EPFL a doctoral school, and the next step will be an event organized in Rome with the Swiss Institute of Rome, with the Federal Office for Culture and ICROM on heritage governance and heritage management.